Just as the India story did not begin on 26th May 2014, as Mr. Narendra Modi would like us to believe, financial inclusion did not begin with the Jan Dhan Yojana. It was the UPA government that sowed the idea of financial inclusion. The RBI introduced the Basic Savings Bank Deposit Account, BSBDA. It was also called the No Frills Account or Zero Balance Account. Until May 2014, 25 crore BSBD accounts had been opened, and the average citizen began to enjoy the advantages of modern banking. Simultaneously, the Aadhaar program was rolled out, and 65 crore Aadhaar numbers were issued by May 2014. BSBDA and Aadhaar were historic achievements. They were possible because of the following steps taken earlier to build the financial infrastructure. 2008, National Payments Corporation of India was established. 2009, Universal Identification Authority of India, UIDI, was established. 2010, NPCI launched the Immediate Payment System. 2012, RBI notified the Basic Savings Bank Deposit Account. 2012, NPCI launched the RuPay card. Rural branches of banks were opened and rural banking correspondents were appointed. The following table compares the record of the UPA and the NDA government. Between 2010 to 14, under UPA, we opened 12,748 rural branches, 3,03,504 rural banking correspondents. The total was 3,16,252. In the 4-year period of NDA, they opened only 4,679 branches, roughly one-third, appointed 1,77,639 banking correspondents, and the total was 1,82,318. The numbers speak for themselves. Under the NDA, the BSBDA scheme was renamed the Jan Dhan Yojana. Instead of pursuing genuine financial inclusion, the NDA government's aim appears to be to break records and grab headlines. When the NDA speaks of the Jan Dhan accounts, it conveniently and deliberately ignores the 25 crore accounts created before 2014. I want to know why. The Jan Dhan self-praise is an elaborate exercise in deception. By December 2016, 24% of the accounts were zero balance accounts. No data is available for the subsequent period. Of the remaining accounts, 15 to 20% have a balance only because bank managers were encouraged to deposit 1 rupee in the account. According to a Ministry of Finance answer, 6.1 crore Jan Dhan accounts, or 1 out of 5, are inactive. According to the World Bank's Global Findex Database 2017, as many as 48% of bank accounts in India are inactive, twice the average of 25% for developing economies. Also, 33% of accounts were opened by persons who already had an account in their names. Despite the boast of Jan Dhan, the credit deposit ratio of the rural population that had reached 67 in March 2014 has declined to 60 in March 2017. The increase in the number of accounts has not translated into greater flow of credit to the rural population. It is now common knowledge that the Jan Dhan accounts were used to launder money after demonetization. A humongous sum of 42,187 crore rupees was deposited in Jan Dhan accounts between 8th November 2016 and 30th December 2016. Initially, the Finance Minister threatened legal action. Please check his statement of 12th November. But the Finance Secretary ruled out any investigation on the grounds it would be a time-consuming process. United Bank of India alone had 11,80,000 so-called Jan Dhan accounts with over rupees 1 lakh so-called savings. Jan Dhan accounts are permitted only 4 withdrawals a month, with a 5th withdrawal inviting a penalty. Hitting below the belt of the account holder, banks have, without the consent of the account holder, converted Jan Dhan accounts into regular savings account and are charging exorbitant fees for any failure to maintain a minimum balance. The government has stocked up the life and accident insurance benefits available with a Jan Dhan account, but failed to mention that rupees 30,000 life insurance feature applies only to those who opened a Jan Dhan account between 15th August 2014 and 31st January 2015, a window of about 6 months. This incentive was introduced only to generate record account openings rather than offering a real benefit. Government has failed to disclose how many account holders have got the insurance after an accident or death.
इस तरह की खबरें देखने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक करके सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कीजिए। धन्यवाद।